to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to make chicken soup. Okay, so ngayon, biniblend natin yung chicken with some broth na kinuluan ng chicken na tubig. Okay. So, nilalagay na natin ngayon yung chicken. So right now, we're blending 2 cans of corn. Does it need to be blended, Nanay?
Yeah, because actually one is supposed to be cream of corn.
I see. And the whole corn. Oh, just putting like a chicken cube. It will taste like that chicken cube. It will taste like that with chicken.
Half a cup.
So this is half cup of flour
Hindi
and
flour, cornstarch to thicken.
this is half cup cornstarch and some water to thicken it, to thicken the soup. Right now, bumubula na yung ating corn soup. Lutong Bahay. Tapos na yung cornstarch lagay natin. So, now, corn soup is ready for eating. Kain na din kayo mga kalutong bahay. Thank you for watching this easy and quick video on how to make chicken corn soup. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!